Hi, it's Elena. Read with me about Marco. My name is Marco. I come from Italy. I was born in 1970. I came to Britain in 2001. I am a chef. I work at a restaurant. I make pizzas. I study English in the evening. So that is the reading about Marco. Let me ask you some questions. Where does he come from? Where does Marco come from? When was he born? What is his job? And what does he study in the evening? Okay, there's more questions. Fill in the questions. Fill in the answers once you've read the questions, and I will put the answers up. So pause the video now, write your answers, and I'll put the answers up so you can check. Okay? Enjoy your day.